Looking to slim down naturally and shed that stubborn belly fat? Today, we're sharing an easy, effective recipe: turmeric tea. This ancient drink has become a favorite for weight loss and digestion, and here's how you can make it part of your routine. Why turmeric tea? Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But did you know it can help support weight loss too? Turmeric contains curcumin, which speeds up metabolism, promotes fat breakdown, and helps reduce bloating. Health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of turmeric tea for weight loss. Boosts metabolism. Curcumin may help in speeding up the metabolic rate, leading to faster fat burning. Reduces inflammation. Less inflammation means better digestion and less fat storage. Balances blood sugar. Keeping blood sugar stable helps reduce food cravings. Ingredients and recipe. Let's jump into the recipe. You'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of hot water, a slice of fresh ginger, a dash of black pepper to help absorb curcumin, a squeeze of lemon juice. Optional, a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. How to make turmeric tea. Here's how to make it. Start by boiling a cup of water. Add the turmeric powder and sliced ginger. Stir it well. Add a dash of black pepper. This is key because it helps your body absorb curcumin. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Remove it from heat, add the lemon juice, and if desired, a bit of honey. When and how to drink it. For best results, drink turmeric tea once or twice daily, preferably in the morning or before meals. This tea is gentle but effective, supporting natural weight loss without harsh ingredients. Give this turmeric tea a try and see the difference it can make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wellness tips.